What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I have something that is very cool. Very cool. This is a must-have for my garage warriors out there. You guys, for my garage warriors out there, the ones who love their garage, they live in their garage, they work in their garage. All day is the garage. This will probably be one of your number one things to get when you go to Costco, you guys. I told y'all, I went to Costco, I bought like 5 things, all at a good price. I believe, yeah, the 5 things I bought came under $100. And one thing I can say is the 5 things that I bought, you really can use them. So yeah, I was actually looking this up on Amazon, and then it was just a convenience thing for this thing to be at Costco. So with that being said, since I was already at Costco, I went on and bought it. The cool thing is you can go ahead and hang up your airline hose, your water line, your garden hose. And if so, you can hang up what they got here is a bike. That is insane. I'm not going to test that out. Obviously, I have my bikes up already, but the garden hose is one of my number ones that I want to use this for. So wires, household wires, they even have an iron on here. So if you iron your clothes, you will definitely love that. They even have some interesting stuff back here. So this is pretty cool. All right, so you can actually use this for your bird feeder. I never even thought about that. You can use this again for your bike. They got jumper cables, basically any type of loose wires you're trying to get organized. This is the product that you will need. All right, so Rapid is a name brand, well, a very popular brand that I have been seeing lately. So we are going to go ahead and just open it up, check them out. All right, you guys, so they have the dimensions on here. I could take a photo, snap it to y'all, show y'all that. It says super strong, heavy duty. Okay, so the heavy duty straps holds up to 50 pounds. All right, that's what it says for heavy duty. But what about the other straps? It just says heavy duty strong straps hold up to 50 pounds, and that's it. So it don't really say too much about the other straps. The other straps, you're pretty much not holding up to that much. On the bird feeder part, so the bird feeder right here, y'all know with the bird feeder, you're putting probably like, what, 3 to 5 pounds in your bird feeder. So they're using the yellow one right here, and it's not really specifying, from what I could see, the weight capacity of that. But yeah, if it can hold up a bird feeder, I'm pretty sure it's good. All right, so yeah, but for the big ones, they have it here holding up a bike, so that's pretty good. All right, now this is pretty cool, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. So got Velcro on it, and you definitely can hang up something real big, and the Velcro seems strong. So I mean, the most I do have a blower, my Heart blower. It don't have like a screw, a place where you can hang it, where you could just like screw in and hang it. So I will be using one of these for my Heart tool. So I will showcase that for y'all. But yeah, that's pretty cool, you guys. And you get a lot. You get 1, 2, 18 of these. This is more than enough. I actually bought another one from Amazon. It wasn't a Rapid, but I bought something else from Amazon, so I will be showcasing that on the channel very soon. I'm doing all of these reviews at once because I want to start cleaning up and I want to start using these products. I got garden hose everywhere. I got air lines everywhere. I have pressure washer lines everywhere. I am a hot mess right now, and it's time to get organized. So I'll finalize the review because I'm ready to start cleaning up, and then that will be it. So catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, so we are going to wrap it up with the brand Rapid. All right, so y'all know all I did was take it out the little packaging and went on and strapped it up right on top of here. And this is a good place if you don't have no space to put your toolboxes. Well, these style of toolboxes. As you know, this is my Nikio set. It's a socket set. It's very heavy, but it's holding up, and I put the Rapid on backwards. So there goes the brand Rapid. Now I got Rapid on here. This is a little torque set, digital torque socket set right here. Pretty cool. Now, like I said, if you don't have space, if you don't have no cabinet space, then this is a good alternative for you. I have my Milwaukee set on here with the Rapid, so that's pretty cool. And I tried to do this, but the way the angle is with this with this contraption with the leaf blower, I couldn't really, if I would have put it on here, it would have did the same thing. You see how it's leaning right now? So it's best to just leave it like this. So anyways, so you can use the smaller ones if you want to do some wire management. So let's say if you want to, and I got some extras too, you guys. So many. But these are better to have. Have way more of these. It is good to get more of these because it has the, the little ring on it, so you can hang whatever you need to hang up. But here you go with some wire management. All right, and I'm using a couple of these in the house as well. And that will be it, you guys. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.